If you're over 50 and tired of starting diets that don't last, the Mediterranean diet may be the reset you've been looking for. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and today we're talking about the Mediterranean diet maintenance plan for over 50. Not as another short-term diet, but as a realistic way to protect your health, manage your weight, and keep eating food you actually enjoy. The biggest mistake people make after 50 is trying to diet like they did at 30. Crash diets, tiny portions, cutting out whole food groups, and living on willpower might work for a few weeks, but they rarely work for life. And after 50, the goal changes. It's not just about losing weight quickly, it's about keeping muscle, supporting your heart, protecting energy, managing blood sugar, and building a routine you can live with. That's where the Mediterranean diet is different. It is not built around punishment. It is built around real food, vegetables, fruit, beans, lentils, whole grains, fish, nuts, seeds, herbs, yogurt, and extra virgin olive oil. You still get flavor, you still get satisfying meals, but you remove the foods that tend to work against you: ultra-processed snacks, sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, processed meats, and the constant grazing that creeps in during the day. Harvard's nutrition source describes the Mediterranean diet as a plant-based eating pattern built around whole grains, olive oil, fruit, vegetables, beans, nuts, herbs, and spices, with fish and seafood preferred as animal proteins. That matters because these are the foods that help you feel full without relying on heavy processed meals. Let's make this practical. A good Mediterranean maintenance plate after 50 starts with vegetables. Half the plate if possible, cooked, roasted, grilled, or fresh, it all counts. Then add protein: fish, eggs, chicken, Greek yogurt, lentils, chickpeas, or beans. Then add a smart carbohydrate: oats, brown rice, whole grain bread, sweet potato or quinoa. Finally, add healthy fat, usually extra virgin olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, or oily fish. That combination is the secret. Protein helps protect muscle. Fiber helps control hunger. Healthy fats make meals satisfying. And the vegetables bring volume, minerals, antioxidants, and color. This is why Mediterranean eating works so well for maintenance. You are not just eating less, you are eating better balanced meals that make overeating less likely. The second part is rhythm. After 50, skipping breakfast, snacking late, or eating most of your calories at night can easily work against you. A simple routine helps: a proper breakfast, a balanced lunch, a lighter dinner, and one planned snack if needed. That might be Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts, tuna and white bean salad, salmon with roasted vegetables, or a simple lentil soup with olive oil and herbs. None of this is complicated. That is the point. The third part is consistency. You don't need to be perfect. You need enough good meals, repeated often enough, to change the direction of your health. If you eat Mediterranean style 5 days a week, you are already changing your food environment. If you add a walk most days, even better. If you reduce processed foods and replace them with proper meals, your body notices. Research has consistently linked the Mediterranean diet with heart health, healthy aging, and long-term weight management. Harvard's review also notes that this eating pattern supports cardiovascular prevention, lifespan, healthy aging, and when paired with sensible calorie control, healthy weight loss. The full article linked below gives you the practical maintenance plan, food ideas, recipes, and simple structure to follow. And if you want the full step-by-step version, the Mediterranean Diet eBook includes meal plans, recipes, and guidance designed to make this easier. If you're over 50, stop asking, what diet can I survive for the next 30 days? Start asking, what way of eating can carry me well for the next 20 years? That's the real power of the Mediterranean diet. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is tired of dieting and ready for something sustainable. Get well and stay well. Ray.